Alright, next up is a movie review of a movie called The Vault. And it's got Don Johnson in it briefly here and there. But it's really about this guy and some other guy, and they rob some banks, well, they rob some vaults, and the consequences of it. It's not a drama, it's not an action movie. There's some action in it, but it's more of like just a crime movie, and those aren't my bag. So I'm going to give this one just 5 millimeters. Not because it's poorly made or it's that bad, it's just not my cup of tea, and it was sort of boring. I was looking for something more like Heat, or if you're looking for something like Heat, you're not going to find it here. If you're looking for something that's really plot intensive, unless I miss something, you're not going to find that here either. It's almost a really long-winded docudrama of this. I think it's based on an event that really happened. But I don't pay a lot of attention sometimes when I watch these things, and it lost me. So I was not totally sure what was happening all the time. That's either my fault or the fault of the movie. It's got low ratings on IMDb right now, but it looks like you can find it on Prime and on YouTube for a couple of bucks. If you've seen it, let us know in the comments what you think. We want to thank our Patreons. Give us the time to work on our Second Amendment projects, work on our community building, and take some time for the fun stuff like this once in a while. For as little as a cup of coffee each month, they help pay our mortgage, help pay our server bills, and then give us the time to work on these projects like this. It allows us to do it with a little more than bugging you at the end of the videos like this. We're not beholden to anyone else but you. Let us know in the comments what you think. As always, thanks for watching.